Alright, so this one I'm going to do a factory reset of Windows operating system using the recovery options. So let's give it a go. We'll go into Windows first, and I'm going to hold the Shift and power button and restart to go into recovery option pretty quickly. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do that, the change of plan. I'm going to reset the password. I can't log in because there's a password. So what I'm going to do is, I'll show you how I'm going to do it in Windows 11. Restart. We're going to boot into our USB, Windows 11 or any Windows 10. You can watch the previous videos on how I boot to external USB, disabling secure boot, etc. It's in the same time frame as this video. One second. Okay, so what we're going to do, Shift F10. Oh no, troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt. Okay, see if we can access the file. Yes, we can. So let's go to Windows, CD System 32, and we're going to move. So what we want to do is we want to make a copy. Alright, so we're going to do utilman to utilman.old. So we're just going to rename it if you like. Yeah. And then we're going to copy cmd to utilman.exe. Exit. Or we can just do a quick reboot. Okay. And now, while it's loading Windows, we'll get the login prompt again. This time we're going to click on the little man there, and it's going to open up a command prompt. So this is actually in Windows. Yep. Okay, so what we type there. Okay, so I'm going to go net user, sure, I'm just going to the local user, Asus, add. Okay, and we're going to make it part of the admin group. Net local group administrator, Asus, add, done. So now, if we reboot, shut down, FT. Oh, sorry about that HDMI. Okay, it's okay, here we go. Can't even see what I'm typing now, okay. Reboot, okay, so we should see, I'll just hide the username if it comes up. Yep, it should reboot and we should have our new username come up on the list on the bottom left. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna hide the window a little bit. Okay, so on the bottom left you can see Asus now. Let's go, and we're in. Done. So we could do a factory reset, but it will take a long time. But this way we can delete the account, create a new admin account, and voila, we're in business. You can use Windows 10 setup, or you can use the recovery, etc. Whatever works best. So if you use the Windows 10 USB or Windows 11 USB, just when it comes up with the setup window, Shift F10 to bring the black screen command prompt and do the same steps, no different. Alright, this is just a basic Intel Pentium. Probably doesn't even have a fan. Doesn't need one. But that's the end of this video. I should be able to just sign back in. Wow, that takes forever. Okay. Okay, so just for this computer, for my purpose, done. Okay, and this way we preserve any of the Asus apps or crap that is in there, if there is any. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.